Sago Mini.
Oh hey! I was just having an indoor campfire. Don't worry, it's pretend. Very safe. Not great for roasting marshmallows though. Oh no, I burned it again. Have you ever been camping before? It's pretty cool. I've been camping before. My favorite part about camping is making s'mores. Let's read about some. Hold on. So good. Let's try that again. Let's see what kind of stories Jack, Jinja, Harvey, and Robin like to tell around the campfire. Harvey, Jinja, Jack, and Robin were camping in the forest, roasting marshmallows by the fire.
Does anyone have any scary stories? Jinja asked.
I've got one, Harvey said, but it's really scary.
The friends leaned forward to listen.
One day, I went for a relaxing canoe on the lake. All of a sudden, I heard a low grumbling noise.
Harvey said slowly.
I think in the story, the thing that's making a grumbling noise is...
Was it a bear? Jinja asked.
Nope, Harvey said. It was my stomach rumbling. I was hungry. I got out of the canoe and ran to get a snack. I ordered a burger, but something was terribly wrong. I picked it up, took a great big bite, and...
Then what? Robin asked.
There was lettuce on my burger!
Wait, why am I screaming?
The friends were confused. That's it? Jinja asked.
Well, yeah,
Harvey said.
Who puts vegetables on a burger? It was terrifying.
I'll go next, Robin said. Have you heard about the haunted outhouse? She asked. It's out in the woods, and it makes funny noises when you change the toilet paper roll. I went to check it out. I grabbed a roll of toilet paper and tiptoed to the outhouse. Then I heard something. What did it sound like? Jack asked.
I think an outhouse is probably like a toilet. It's like a little wooden house out in the forest or something.
It sounded like this, Robin said.
Ma!
I opened the door to see what was making the weird noise. And it was a goat eating toilet paper. Jack, Jinja, and Harvey laughed so hard they fell off their mushrooms. That wasn't scary. It was funny. Robin laughed. It was waiting for a fresh roll to be delivered. The goat loved eating toilet paper.
I think maybe the goat's using the washroom? I don't know.
The friends all yawned. It was past their bedtime. Time to hit the hay, Jinja said, as the friends put out the fire. I hope the blue bunny monster doesn't steal our marshmallows while we're sleeping, she said. Harvey and Robin looked scared. Blue bunny monster? Robin whispered.
What's the blue bunny monster?
Harvey asked.
I think the blue bunny monster is probably... let me think.
The blue bunny monster creeps up when you least expect it. It jumps out and eats all your marshmallows! Jack shouted as he jumped out from behind a tree. Jinja laughed, but Robin and Harvey screamed.
Hey, you tricked us!
Harvey said. So there's no blue bunny monster after all? Robin asked. Nope, it's just Jack, Jinja said. But I do love marshmallows, Jack said with his mouth full. Got any more?
What? I wasn't scared. I was just, looking for something. Wait a minute. Hey!
Jack! Sago Mini.